Do you like buttermilk? To be honest with you, I like to cook with it. I don't like to drink it, but it is absolutely wonderful when you cook with it. Now, I'm going to make something today a lot of you have probably never heard of, much less tasted. We're going to make an old-fashioned buttermilk pie. This is the recipe that my mom used whenever I was a kid. And even family members who are extremely picky with their food really liked this pie. So today, I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay. We're going to start out with sugar and with flour. Just going to sift it here so we don't have any lumps. Okay. I'm going to go get my melted butter from the microwave. You probably have everything on hand already to make this, other than maybe the pie shell. Okay. It's just so easy. I always crack my eggs in a container, glass, bowl, whatever. That way I don't drop any eggshells in there. And if you were to get an egg that's not quite so good, then you don't ruin your whole dish. And this is vanilla, guys. Okay, we're going to mix this up. That, my friends, is how fast this pie comes together. Okay, I have my pie shell. It's been sitting out maybe 5-6 minutes just to soften up just a bit. I'm going to poke some holes in it with a fork. You may ask why I'm doing this. It's so that it won't bubble up and have big air pockets in here. As always, I will give you the complete ingredients and amounts and everything in the description box. So, get rid of this so I don't get buttermilk pie everywhere. And we're simply going to pour it in our pie pan. My oven is hot and ready for the pie. So let me get the rest of this out. Okay. Guys, I'm going to put it in a preheated oven and I'll show you what this jewel looks like as it comes out of the oven. Okay, I'm taking our pie out of the oven. You're going to notice it's starting to crack right here in different places on the top. The pie crust is golden, but we still have a little bit of movement in there. Guys, this is one of the pies that you have to sit, or that you have to let sit and cool. It's going to be moist, but if you bake it until this doesn't move, it's going to be overcooked. So you need to let it sit until it's cool before you even attempt to cut it. Okay, our pie has finally cooled down enough to cut. So, I wonder which piece I can get out easily. Let's hope it's this one. There you go. And you can see the moistness of the pie. Guys, I got to dig into this. I haven't made a buttermilk pie in years. Since I was at home, and that's, I'm gonna tell my age. 50 years ago? Here it goes. Mom's memories. Guys, don't let the name buttermilk fool you in this. This is a fantastic pie. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.